Turn left. Proceed straight. When you hit the black spotted shell, look down. Proceed straight, diving occasionally. You are off route. Recalculating.
Gotcha! What a perfect little breakfast you're gonna make. Hey, stop laughing!
I can't help it, you're tickling me! At the next series of sand clumps, turn left. Your other left. Destination ahead in the sand.
Now stop that! It's very distracting! Can't you see I'm trying to kill you?
How? By making me laugh myself to death? At the next dip in the sand, turn left. Proceed straight until you reach a pile of sticks. Bend down. Now veer right and proceed toward the water, alternating your pace between a skip and a light run. Follow shoreline to your next destination.
No, I give up. I refuse to eat food that keeps laughing at me. Ugh.
Wait, come back, that was fun! Please yield to oncoming smaller birds.
Hey, what's going on with that bird?
His wife gave him a GPS system for his birthday.
What's a GPS system?
Global Positioning Seagull. It's the latest technology. They embed a tiny micro tick in your ear and it's supposed to help you find your food easier.
Make a U-turn if possible. Now move swiftly away from water and look for nearest launch area. Take the next available flight home. Your wife is waiting for you in the nest to see what you've caught. Don't disappoint her.